Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Meal's Music. I'm Anthony Meal. It's time to learn how to play the game Cut the Cake. But before we do, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you stay up to date anytime I upload a video for you. Also, if you're not familiar with the song Cut the Cake, be sure to check out my lyric video before you start to learn the game. Cut the Cake is a very, very simple chase game. And before I have my students actually play the game, I have them march to the micro beat of the song anywhere around the room. So each child is creating their own path throughout the room to the micro beat, like this. Put your hands together, give yourself a shake. Make a happy circle, then you cut the cake. And you're going to see if they can stop on the word cake. Once your students are able to march to that microbeat around the room, then gather them around into a standing circle. Now it's time to learn the actions for the game. So the first part is going to be clapping their hands on the first word of the song. So it's going to go like this. Put your hands together and give yourself a shake. They're just going to give themselves a shake. Give yourself a shake. And then they're going to make a happy circle. So that means they're just going to join hands with their neighbors. Make a happy circle, then you cut the cake. Now with that cutting the cake part, there's actually going to be a student marching around the whole circle or the cake as everyone else is clapping and shaking and joining their hands. So this is a great song to also teach the rhythm concept rest, because at the end of the song there's a quarter rest. So it'd be ti 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 ta rest. And on that rest, that student is actually going to take their cake cutter and they're going to slice down where two neighbors are holding their hands. Wherever they slice, those students are going to race around the circle. To avoid chaos and injury, I don't let my students run around the circle. They get to speed walk. If they run, they can't win the game. If they're both speed walking, then they actually are going to meet partway around the circle and they're both going to rub their bellies and go yum, and then they're going to keep racing around, and whoever gets to the cake cutter first is the next cake cutter on the next round. The student that doesn't get there first still gets a cool opportunity. They're going to tell the next cake cutter where to start marching. That just about does it, how you play the game Cut the Cake. If this was helpful for you, I'd appreciate a like. A like would be helpful for me. And as always, share, share, share. And that's it. I'll catch you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
Put your hands together, give yourself a shake. Make a happy circle.